Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to edit your channel name. This is my YouTube studio dashboard, and if you don't know how to visit this page, just type studio.youtube.com. After arriving on this page, just go to customization from this left side menu. Scroll down a little bit, and from this field you can enter or fill your desired YouTube channel name. As you can see, before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that I have a YouTube online course that you can get access today for free. Inside this YouTube basics course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with your YouTube channel. For example, how to create your channel, verify it, edit your channel name and banner, create your logo. You will also learn how to create content and upload it to YouTube. For example, how to make an intro for a YouTube video, how to write scripts, how to record laptop screen, and many things. Video optimization and management is also included. Inside it, you will learn how to replace audio in a YouTube video, how to add a link in a video description, how to add a subscribe button on a YouTube video. You will also learn how to grow and manage your channel, technical and security settings, and integration and external sharing. To get access to all of this today for free and also these online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. As you can see, you can change your channel name twice in 14 days. And this is how to edit your channel name. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.